The TINHIFI T4 Plus. Overall build quality, we got this metal shell. I quite dig it. Got the wooden faceplate there. Ear hooks feel okay. Pretty good cable. Decent chin cinch. Well behaved and straight termination, which I dig. Yeah, no real complaints about the build there. I did have some fit issues, just getting them to stay in my ear with the stock tips. Just couldn't get it to work with silicone. I had to use my TINHIFI blues. These foams are like, they're the only things that fit me, it seems. For some IEMs, just is what it is. But they did come with these cool tips. It's like a foam tip covered in silicone. Something I don't have. I'll probably get them to work with a different IEM. But yeah, this one, I just couldn't get them to stay in my ear without my TINHIFI blues. So yeah, case. Sunglasses case, but smaller. How do these things sound? Well, bass is not as much as I would like, but pretty impactful, pretty fun. I quite enjoyed the bass on this. I think it was a good quality of bass, just not a huge amount of it. Again, to the mids, it's a nice glide into the mids. Get into the upper mids and treble. It is so forward, way too forward for me, but still enjoyable. I think like the way that they did it, it's balanced. Like it sounds nice. It's just a little too pushed after 3K for me. Like between 3 and I want to say 5K, just a little too pushed for me. And then it dips, kind of comes back and does its thing in the treble. It's just, yeah, it's just a little bit too much for me after 3K. So yeah, if you have any questions, leave them down below. Like, comment, subscribe, and until next time.